Welcome to RPAS Wilco, your go-to destination for streamlined drone operations and regulatory compliance. Whether you're a commercial drone operator or a recreational pilot, we're here to make your flights smoother, safer, and fully compliant. At RPAS Wilco, we're more than just a compliance platform. We're a team of industry experts committed to helping you navigate drone operations with ease. Our mission is to ensure that every flight you make is compliant, efficient, and stress-free. We created this YouTube channel to help you understand the full potential of RPAS Wilco and guide you through every feature, update, and best practice. If you ever need more information or have questions, feel free to reach out to us. Our contact info is in the description. We know that managing drone flights, ensuring compliance, and tracking data can get overwhelming. That's why we've built RPAS Wilco to simplify it all for you. Here is what RPAS Wilco offers. Site surveys in under a minute. Quickly create and generate site surveys with just a few clicks, making it easier than ever to gather the information you need in record time. Certified NAV CANADA Aeronautical Data Distributor. Get real-time access to essential aeronautical data, including NOTAMs, CFS, and VFR charts, all within the app to keep you informed and ready for your flight. Detailed flight plans and logs. Easily create flight plans, manage logs, and ensure real-time compliance with just a few clicks. Interactive airspace map. Use our map tool to visualize airspace classes, set flight radius and altitude, and mark obstacles, all before takeoff. Risk management tools. With RPAS Wilco, you'll get risk assessments and detailed safety checklists, ensuring every flight is safe and secure. 3 subscription levels designed for you. We offer 3 flexible subscription levels, including a completely free version. Whether you're just starting out or need advanced tools for your operations, there's a plan for you. We've designed these levels with your needs and budget in mind, so you can access the features you need at a price that works for you. We're here to help you fly smarter and more safely. With automated tools, comprehensive flight management, and expert support, RPAS Wilco is your trusted partner and co-pilot for drone operations. Ready to streamline your drone operations? Hit that subscribe button, explore our website, and join our community today. Got questions? Book a meeting or contact us. Links in the description.